guys, today we are going to see about how to make a box. The required materials are paper and scissor. First we want to take a paper and we should fold like this. We will get we know that how to make a square in a paper. So we will make a square. See, I have folded. We should see I have got the square paper, and the square paper we should fold in 4. See, again I am folding. Fold tightly and fold again. So I have made like this. Like this you should make. Like this you should make it in 4 sides. Yep. See, I have made like this. So now we should fold like this here. With the same point we should fold in the 2 sides. Again in the opposite also we should make like this. We should make here in this side also. I have made this foldings in 4 sides. Now I am taking like this, and we should fold like this, get like this, and we should fold this here. See, I have folded like this. You should fold here also. Should take it and fold. We have made it our paper box is ready. See, a paper box is ready. If you like this video, share this to your friends, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. That one, if only whatever we are going to upload the videos, it will come to you. Thank you.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.